Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baik, teman-teman, selamat datang di kelas English 1, okay? So, my name is Mr. Danang. Today we are going to... I forgot my glasses. To begin, yeah? So, I will get into the Siakat room, okay? See you on the lesson. Okay, here we go. Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teman-teman, selamat datang. The time
Waalaikumsalam
is...
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, how are you everyone? Is it good? Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This is
Yes,
all semester 2, yeah? Is it the new student or karyawan class? Which one is it? Or mix? Is it mix? Okay.
Sir.
Yes, welcome Belkis. Okay, let's wait 5 minutes ya. Kita akan tunggu 5 menit for the others to join, or they can see us live through YouTube streaming ya. Okay, so basically today meeting will be about introduction first, okay, and then after that I will let you know about the kontrak kuliahnya ya. So what you're gonna do facing the lesson in one semester. Okay. All right. 3 more minutes. We will wait for the others to join us. Okay, can I open my video? No, it seems not. Okay. It seems my camera, I cannot open my camera because of something. Oke, presentasi belum dimuncul layarnya. Oh. Presentation. In where? In YouTube? Okay, the day material will be introduction only, okay? Can we wait for the others to join? Others to join us over here. Okay, let me share what we're gonna do right now. Okay, sorry, there will be a feedback over here. All right, everyone, can you see the screen?
Yes.
All right.
We can see.
Okay.
Yes, I see, sir.
You can see it too. All right, thank you. 18. 18 have joined. 19. Okay, we will begin at 2 more minutes. Okay, forgive me for not showing you my face because it seems I have a issue with the camera. Okay, so if I open the camera, it will be like lagging the connection. So that's why I'm not. Oh, I have another camera over here. Okay, can you see me?
Okay. We saw you, sir.
Yeah, okay. I'm using both camera.
Yeah.
All right. So, okay, so it's for 9:44. Let's begin. Okay, welcome everyone to English 1. Okay, there. Oh, yeah, sorry. It's my feedback
Okay.
from. Okay, thank you. Right. So here we go. Let's introduction first. I guess all of you is new for me ya. Semuanya baru ya untuk saya ya. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so this is our first meeting. And then there's a saying in Javanese people, ada perkataan atau peribahasa orang Jawa, kalau nggak kenal maka nggak sayang ya. So I will try to introduce myself through these slides ya. Okay, so first of all, this is my name. Okay, Danang Wiratnoko. Do you know this person or this artist? He's the same name as me. No? No one? No? Okay. So he is the finalist of Akademi Dangdut, ya. Akademi Dangdut yang kedua. So he is, yeah. Do we look resemblance? Kesamaan ada nggak? Kemiripan? Nggak ada ya? Okay, just a bit narcissism there. Okay, so this is the meaning of a name, yeah. So my name is Mr. Danang, and of course that my surname is Beda Mr. Okay, yes, I know it's a bit different. I'm older. Okay, my surname is taken from the family's name, yeah, basically from my grandfather. Yeah, my grandfather, and then my mother, my father, and also because I'm a boy, basically, because last time when my mom had me, the doctor says that I was a girl. So, and then when I was born, I was a boy. So they didn't prepare any name for a boy name. So my grandfather put a ko, ya, taruh kata ko itu untuk pejantan tangguh ya. So yeah. Okay, let's move on. Hey, how come it's not moving? Okay. All right. This is my family, my small family. I have two beautiful children. One is a daughter and one is a boy. Ya, alhamdulillah. Udah lengkap. Ya, sepasang. Okay. And then my background of teaching. So basically, I was graduated, bachelor degree, the Faculty of Letters, English language, basically, in the University of National Jakarta. So basically, I was born in Jakarta and raised in Jakarta. Okay, and then I had my master degree of English language from University of Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Yeah, so this is my master degree. And then more than 10 years, I devoted myself in teaching English. Okay, so this is my timeline, yeah, teaching English. So I started teaching at OCI at Kramat Senen 2005. And then the classes that I taught are English elementary school, English primary school, English junior high school, English senior school, and then private company classes. And of course, the last one is employee classes. Okay. Next one, in the middle of 2007, okay, I work in eWorld. Yeah, this is the same franchise of school. Yeah, small school in English. And then this is the little brother of the OCI. Yeah, so basically I taught private classes, TOEFL, IELTS, TOEIC, and also night classes for employees. And then I moved to Clayton. So I'm chocolate now, yes. In the middle of May 2014, I work at Aba Prawiramarta and moved to Jatinom Pandean, where I live right now. Yeah, if you want to visit me, you can. Please, you can swim here. So many, what do you call it? Umbul, yeah. So many umbul in Jatinom. And then the subject that I taught in Aba Prawiramarta, but now it's apparently closed, yeah, because of some administration problem. So we taught vocabulary, structure, pronunciation, writing, reading, and also speaking. And then since I was working in ABA, I met a friend called Mr. Kunchoro. He work together with him, yeah. So he invited me to help him in EIN. Yeah, in the middle of 2014, I accepted working at EIN Surakarta. The subject I lecture is TOEFL. It's like TOEFL preparation. Jadi di sana mahasiswa itu harus istilahnya selesaikan tes TOSA dan TOSE. TOSA itu bahasa Arab dan TOSE-nya itu bahasa Inggris. Okay, and then next one. In the beginning of 2016, by the same person, Pak Kunchoro also, and then I'm still working there just part-time, yeah, just once a week in STIAS as the lab bahasa. Now it's managed by Miss Tira. Oke, di situ ada Miss Tira. Jadi dulu ada saya dan Miss Tira itu mengelola lab bahasanya, tapi sekarang telah di-handle oleh Miss Tira. Oke, and then in ITB ya. Jadi ini AS berubah menjadi ITB sekarang ya, ITB AS. Okay, and then in October 2017 until now, yeah, I'm still working here. October 2017, I accepted in EF Solo. Now it's called English 1, not EF anymore. Okay, the classes that I taught or I teach is Small Stars, High Flyers, Trailblazers, and also Front Runner. And sometimes with the foreigner, sama bule ya, I accompany them with go to school and company visit. And then on December 10, 2018, I was accepted in a newborn campus called Polytechnic Batik Semesta Polybes in Salatiga. Yes, so this is the campus, yeah. I only teach in here for about almost 2 years, yeah, almost 2 years. Yeah. Okay, and then of course the last one, until now, October 10, 2018, I was accepted in STAS TechCom, a part-time to full-time lecturer, focus on English learning, focus on also preparation of TOEFL. Okay, let's have a free talk, everyone. I want to know about yourself. Okay, so let's have a little get to know each other, yeah? So I have 3 questions here for you guys. Okay, why do you want to learn English? Do you think English is useful, and what is difficult about English? So basically, if you answer this question, I can understand your understanding of English, and also I want to know how good is your pronunciation in using the language of English, okay? Okay, let's start with the back group over here. Whoa, so many. Okay, we have Fian Ade. Hello, Fian Ade. Can you open mic? Fian Ade Prabongo. Hello. Fian, is it Fian? Hello, Fian. Oh, okay. Can you open mic? You have problem with your mic? Oh, okay. Sorry. All right. You can listen to us then. Okay, we skip with Fian and Naila. Naila Putri. Hello, Naila Putri. Naila, can you open mic? Hello, Naila. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Tidak, Pak.
Oh. Okay, Naila, can you open mic?
Iya.
Okay, can you answer the first question for me?
Tidak.
What? Why? Why you not? Why do you don't want to learn English? Why? Where's Naila? Okay. Okay, let's keep Naila then. Let's go to Balkis. Hello, Balkis.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you answer the first question for me?
Yes.
Mhm.
Number one.
Yeah.
Ini
Why?
langsung saya jawab aja ya.
Yeah, it's okay. Or you can use bahasa, it's okay too. Because it's the
Oh
first.
iya.
Yeah.
Ini nomor apa? Nomor satu aja atau sampai tiga?
Ya, sampai 3 boleh.
Satu aja ya.
Okay, just one is alright. Why do you want to learn
For
English?
number one. Yes. Uh, question, why do you want to learn English?
Mhm.
My answer, to expand my knowledge even further.
Okay.
Untuk
So,
memperluas pengetahuan saya lebih jauh lagi.
okay. But do you think English is difficult?
Yes,
Okay.
very.
Very. In what part? Bagian mananya?
Bagian semuanya.
Oh, okay. Okay, so basically this English one, I will start from the beginning, yeah? Okay, I will start from the basic, thank you. All right, let's go to Ipkiss. Is it?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Is it Ipkiss Karya Sumber? What can I call
Yes,
you?
sir.
Okay,
Oh, you can call me Sri.
is this your name?
Yeah, yeah. No. That's my college.
Oh, okay, okay. But what is your name? Can you change
My
it?
name is okay. Introduce myself.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Sri Purwatiningsih. I'm living in Kendal right now.
Okay.
I have many business, so they call me businesswoman. There right
Okay.
now. Yeah, I'm studying in here because honestly, I'm already finished my college, but that's a Chinese language.
Okay.
I want to learn another.
Sub
I mean, it's graded. I
major.
want to, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So major like that. So maybe it's enough.
Okay. Sorry, can you repeat what is your name? Sari?
Sri
Oh, Sri.
SRI.
Okay.
Yeah. PUR
P U
WA
W A
TI. Yeah.
T.
WR TINGSIH.
Okay.
Sri Purwatiningsih.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Sorry. What is difficult about
Yeah.
English?
I think there is from grammar.
Okay,
Is
grammar.
not easy for me because I
Mm.
learned Chinese. The so many people said Chinese language is very difficult. Honestly,
Yes.
for me, no, because I'm
Really?
born. Yeah, because I'm born speak Chinese, so the why
Okay.
I think Chinese is better my English.
Okay then. All right. Thank you, Mbak Sri
Sure.
Purwaningsih. Right, next one. Can I go to uh, Sai Muti? Sai Muti?
Yeah.
Okay, yes, Sai Muti. Can you answer the first question for me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, answer the first question. You can use Bahasa if you don't really hard to use English. Why do you want to learn English?
Number three.
Okay, number 3 is okay. Yeah, Sai Muti. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, next one. Let's go to Benny Lihard. Yes, Benny Lihard.
Okay,
Carmen. Okay, hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, that's good to hear. Sir, could you answer the first one for me, sir?
Okay, all right, sir. I think I learned to English for the future.
Mm-hmm.
About my speak for international speaking.
Okay.
And then for my faculty,
Mm-hmm.
uh, Bachelor of Law, speak in client in English.
Okay. Wow. And then, what is difficult for you, sir, in English?
Maybe difficult. So about
Oh.
pronouns.
Mm-hmm.
Then speaking daily.
Okay.
Grammar.
All right.
Uh, my difficult, but simple. It's practicing and study every day, and
Mm-hmm.
then repeat or your
Okay.
study.
Okay.
Thank you.
Inshallah. Okay. Inshallah will be much better than now. Yeah. Inshallah. Okay. Thank you. What can I call you? Belinhard?
What's here?
What can I call you, sir?
Oh, my
Mm-hmm.
full name is Lihat Carmen Casenda,
Okay.
and my nickname is Carmen.
Car
Carmen.
Carmen.
Yeah,
Carmen. Okay.
yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Carmen. All right, next one. Can I have uh Alifin? Muhammad Alifin. Hello? Muhammad Alifin, can you open mic? Hello. Muhammad Alfin. Sorry, Alfin. Sorry. Muhammad Alfin. Wirja Wirjawan. Wiryawan. Hello? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Mr. Gideon. Hello, Mr. Gideon. Can you open mic?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you today, sir?
I'm good, sir. Very good.
Okay. Can you
Fine. Thank
answer?
you for asking.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Can you answer for me number one?
Yes. Number one question: why do you want to learn English? I think
Mm-hmm.
right now we don't have options here. If we want to improve, uh, upgrading our situation
Okay.
in life, I think
Mm-hmm.
there is no option to learn English. English is mandatory for us right
Okay.
now because
Yes.
everything is
True.
related to English. Everything
Mm-hmm.
right now. If you buy something, there is English. If we want to go outside, like abroad, we have
Yes.
to learn English. For
Okay.
me myself, because
Mm-hmm.
I have a diploma in English and I get from United States, so
Wow. Okay.
this is very important for me because without English, I'm never see United States of America, and Israel, Palestine. I see that
Oh.
country because English.
Yes. True.
So for me, it's no option.
Not option. Okay, sir.
Yeah,
And
we
then can
have
you?
we have to learn it. Like or
Yes.
not, we have to learn it.
Of course, it's a communication international language. Yeah. Okay, number
Yes, sir.
three. What do you think? What is difficult for you in English?
In English, because the first time is I don't really like to learn English, sir. Because
Mm-hmm.
the grammar is so difficult.
Mm-hmm.
Because if we want to say today, tomorrow, and another day, that's different.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
Different. What they call it?
Tenses.
Uh, verb.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
Verb.
that's different. Like see, saw, and everything like that.
Mm-hmm.
So it's difficult to me.
Okay.
But for understanding, I get 97 score.
Okay.
So it's not difficult to me for understanding English.
Mm-hmm.
Writing is also difficult.
Okay.
Yeah, because how we pronunciation the
Yes.
word and then how to write it is different, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, the difficult ones, number one is for the grammar, and the second one is for writing.
Okay, writing. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Gideon. Okay, let's
Yes.
try another one. Emiliana. Hello, Emiliana? Can you open mic? Hello, Emiliana?
Hello.
Hello? Okay, Emiliana is not here. Okay, let's try another one. Imelda. Hello, Imelda? Shahputri. Okay, two more. I will ask two more and then we begin. Imelda. Okay. Oh, okay, lagi kerja. Okay, sorry. Next one is Anissa. Anissa, you here? Okay, Anissa, how are you?
I'm great.
Okay, Anissa, can you answer the first question for me, Anissa?
First question.
Hmm.
Because English is a basic language that must be learned, so that later, if I travel far, I can, I can speak.
Okay, yes, because it is a communication. Okay.
Yeah,
Next one, what is the difficult for you in English?
it's pronounce because I think my pronunciation is not really good.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Grammar, yeah?
yeah.
Okay, grammar. Right. Thank you very much, everyone. Okay, then.
Thank
So
you.
basically, I can see everyone in this classroom or in this semester, English 1. You have a little bit of grammar problem, yeah? And then basically, we will go on and having conversation to one another because some of you are shy, yeah. Some of you are writing shy. I'm too shy to answer. And then of course the tenses. Yes, there is tenses. Basically, I will start in the beginning, yeah. So beginner level and then go to the intermediate. Okay. All right. Let's begin. So basically English consists of four skill, yeah. So how do you usually learn English? So basically you have to know these four skill in English. Okay. Oh. Okay, we have ing, sing, ring, and then wing. Can you tell me what are those? You can open mic. It's okay. Siapa yang tahu ini? Yang pertama apa ya? What is the first one, do you think? Over here. A ling. What is this? Anybody? Come on, you don't have to shy.
I think.
Mm,
Maybe I think.
I'm going maybe
going, okay, no.
because it's ing.
I think. King. Maybe.
No, nothing. Anybody else?
Listening.
Ah, good, yes. That's the first thing
Oh,
you have to do in English.
listening.
If you want to get more vocabulary, you have to listen more to people talking in English, okay? And then what is the second one?
Saying.
Saying.
Speaking.
Okay,
Say-
yes, speaking. That's good. So after you listen, you will try to speak the words. Yeah, that's right, speaking. And then the last one, the
Writing.
Reading.
Reading.
reading, very good.
Reading.
And the last one?
Writing.
Right.
Writing.
Writing. Yeah. So writing is the last one because it's very hard. Yeah. So some people says writing is connected with pronunciation, yeah, and also the sentences. Yeah, that's why writing is the hardest. Okay, next one. After you learn these four, or basically know these four, to study English, what will you learn at first? So basically, the first thing you have to know is the letters, okay? The letters and the sound of the letters. Okay, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, and then the letter sound, okay, which we call it pronunciation. A say ah or ya. Jadi huruf A itu ada seperti apple, airplane, ya. Jadi E-nya itu ada different sound itself, ya. And then by listening to the letters and also listening to the pronunciation, you have to make it vocabulary, or write it down, make a list into a vocabulary when you listen to a new word, yeah, and then you try to speak it. Okay, after you compiled the word that you find, maybe the new word or the old word, kata-kata baru atau kata-kata yang lama kamu simpen dan try to practice speaking it. Okay, and then after that, the grammar. Yes, try to find what is this letter connected to the grammar. Is it tenses? Is it noun? Is it verb? Is it adjective? Nah, kita cari kata-kata itu apakah dia itu termasuk kata benda, kata kerja, kata sifat, kata apa? Keterangan, ya, or even kata sambung, preposition, or conjunction, and then try to read it, yeah, try to read and try to after maybe you read some books, yeah, try to find, oh, this letter or this word is go to this sentence, ya. Nah, sentence-nya baru kita pahami. And then try to make sentence using the word that you just find in writing. Okay? Jadi ini yang harus try to practice by yourself. Okay, every day. And then maybe like once a week or twice a week, yeah, for like 5 minutes. Okay. Next one. Oops, sorry. Okay, we're understanding the vocabulary. Here, vocabulary is like kosakata. Okay, in English, there's only 750,000 words. Ya, jadi bahasa Inggris itu hanya terdiri dari 750.000 kata aja. Okay, that's only in English, no more than that. Okay, and those words are divided into 8 parts of speech. Ya, jadi kata-kata itu dibagi dalam kelompok 8 parts of speech. Okay. Oh, what is vocabulary? Vocabulary is kosakata. Jadi kalau teman-teman kalau ketemu kata baru dalam bahasa Inggris, lebih baik ditulis dalam catatan dan nanti bisa mencari, oh, kata ini digunakan di kalimat mana, gitu ya. That's vocabulary. And then try to make it easy for you to remember the vocabulary. Cara gampang untuk mengingat kosakata atau kata-kata yang baru, ya. Try to recognize, kita mengenal ya kata dulu, ya. Try to collect it, okay. And then contain atau menyimpan, ya, dalam notebook. And then the last one is try to detect atau melacak atau mencari kata ini di mana sih, kita gunakannya di mana gitu, ya. Jadi biasanya kalau waktu dulu saya masih kuliah atau masih SMP, ya, junior high school and senior high school, my dad always what you call it? Give me this task. Kasih aku tugas untuk mencari vocabulary yang banyak, and then try to remember it. In 1 week, you have to remember these words like that. Yeah. So that's one basic thing that you can do. Okay, the next one is function word. Yes. The function word is like the 8 part of speech. Kita harus mengenal dulu. Apa itu noun? Okay, noun is a word that we use for giving names to a person, place, things, quality, idea, or action is called a noun. Ya, ini noun ini namanya kata benda. Ya, kayak kursi, meja, jendela, pintu, buku, komputer. That's noun. Okay. And then next one is pronoun. Pronoun is a word that we use in a place of noun or a substitute for a noun. It's called a pronoun. Pronoun ini kata ganti dari kata benda tadi. Ya, jadi kayak orang, nah itu adalah noun. Ya, for example, Agustina is smart. Agustina can dance. Agustina can cook. Instead of saying Agustina all the time, you can say he or she. Okay, he or she. And then we have adjective, a word that used to add something to the meaning of a noun is called adjective. Jadi adjective itu selalu ngikutin noun. Misalnya brown chair, tall person, and then beautiful house. Nah, kata-kata yang selalu ngikutin kata noun itu adalah namanya adjective, ya, atau melengkapkan kata benda is called adjective. And then the verb, ya, a verb is a word that we tell us what somebody or something does, what state somebody or something is in. Verb ini adalah kata kerja, oke? Dia memberitahukan kita sesuatu atau seseorang melakukan sesuatu, ya, namanya verb. Okay, the next one, adverb. Nah, adverb ini adalah qualifies to add to the meaning of the verb, ya, or an adjective. Jadi ini adalah penjelaskan kata kerja atau menjelaskan dari kata sifatnya. Contohnya kalau kata kerjanya, he runs quickly, and then he sit quietly. Pokoknya yang ada kata li itu adalah adverb. Okay. And then we have preposition. Preposition is a word placed usually before a noun or a noun phrase. It shows relation to some other words in a sentence. Jadi preposition kayak in, on, at, ya, itu tambahnya preposition. And then conjunction, kata sambung, ya, is a word that is used for joining words, phrases, clause, or sentence. Ya, ini biasanya kata and or but. Oke, ada juga because, after, before, ya, although. Nah, ini adalah conjunction. And then the next one, interjection, ya, a word that we use to express some feeling of the mind we call interjection. Interjection ini kayak kata kata au. Ya, itu udah satu kalimat ya kalau dalam bahasa Inggris. Oh aja itu udah satu kalimat, atau au itu ada satu kalimat. And then we have like exclamation mark or question mark. Okay? Right. Next one we have the content word. Nah, ini ada content things and idea, ini kita maksudnya ke noun. Kalau kontennya action itu adalah verb. Tapi kalau kontennya adalah quality itu adalah adjective and adverb, ya. Contohnya seperti ini. Yang number one ini adalah kalimatnya, the pen he gave me is expensive. He always solved the problem. Okay, so this is the content of word. We have noun, verb, and also adjective. Okay, next one. Sebelum kita masuk ke materi, I will explain about what you will get throughout the semester. Oke, jadi mendalami RPS guna mengetahui ketentuan perkuliahan ya selama satu semester, mengikuti perkuliahan sesuai ketentuan, mengerjakan tugas yang diberikan oleh dosen terkait materi kuliah dengan mengisi absensi secara online. And then tugas-tugas itu biasanya saya share di WA channel ya, yang kemarin saya saya upload di grup. So you can practice your English through the WhatsApp channel. Okay, you can open it once a week. Ya, pokoknya saya akan upload pertanyaan itu setiap 2 kali seminggu ya. Jadi nggak tentu, pokoknya 2 kali seminggu. Oke, Anda menghadiri perkuliahan sekurang-kurangnya 75% dari pertemuan yang digelar, mengikuti UTS dan UAS, berusaha menjawab menjadi mahasiswa yang profesional dan bertanggung jawab. Oke, wait a minute. Kalau tugas di channel untuk absensi disiapkan. Yes, there is a point. Ya, there is a point. Nanti di Siakat juga nanti ada tugas ya. Jadi di channel itu quiz, di Siakat nanti ada tugas. Oke? Alright. And then berusaha menjadi mahasiswa yang profesional dan bertanggung jawab, and berusaha memiliki moral dan etika yang baik sesuai dengan Pancasila. Oke, and then kewajiban my responsibility ya, melalui Siakat menyampaikan RPS, menyampaikan materi kuliah sesuai RPS ya, mendorong dan memberikan kesempatan kepada mahasiswa untuk bertanya atau menyampaikan pendapat terkait materi kuliah. So you can ask question. Jangan malu-malu ya. So, pokoknya tempat ini adalah kalian untuk belajar ya. Berbuat salah boleh. Oke? Jadi di forum ini kalian you can speak whatever you like, even though you are not grammatically correct, but at least you try. Oke, everyone? Saya pengen kalian di sini lebih aktif ya. Kalau bertemu saya lebih aktif untuk berbicara using the English language. Anda memberikan penugasan sebagai feedback atas materi yang sudah sampaikan, melaksanakan UTS, and then UAS. Anda memberikan penilaian objektif manusia, yes. Number 8, ini always I will give you feedback on the WhatsApp channel ya. The Siakat tugas, Anda melakukan pembinaan serta membangun karakter. And then this one, perbedaan sebelumnya ya, so we have new regulation from Pak Budi untuk semester ini nggak ada minggu tenang ya, jadi habis UTS langsung langsung materi ya, jadi jeda 1 minggu perkuliahan lagi semester antara 2 bulan. Semester berjalan genap, tidak ada minggu tenang dan ujian hanya 1 minggu saja. Yes, so this one. Ujian untuk UTS itu diberikan ke mahasiswa hanya 1 minggu. Jadi kalau semester kemarin saya ada kelonggaran ya. Jadi ada 2 minggu kalian boleh mengerjakannya. Tapi sekarang hanya 1 minggu. So that's why please istilahnya be very careful in answering the question. And then jam pembelajaran untuk kelas reguler. This is us, we are in, I think this one ya, jam kedua ya, 9 until 10 o'clock, and then until 11. And then jumlah pembelajaran, of course, we have 1 to 7 perkuliahan, number 8 is UTS, number 9 and 16 is UAS. And then tidak ada minggu tenang, baik UTS dan UAS. UTS dimulai tanggal 4 sampai 8 Mei, dan UAS tanggal 29 Juni sampai 3 Juli. Guys? So, pay attention to this date, ya. I think we are going to start our first meeting. So this is the book that I'm using, ya. It's called the Good Grammar Book. So let's go to the first section, learning about be and have. Nah, ini adalah tentang grammar. This is the basic grammar. So basically in grammar, we have this called modal verb. Nah, modal verb ini ada 2. Yang pertama adalah main verb atau kata kerja utama ya. Terdiri dari be adalah am, are, is untuk present, was, were untuk past ya. Jadi ini selalu ada, kata be ini selalu ada untuk main verbnya. Contohnya, we can use the adjective, noun, or expression or phrase after be. She is late. We cannot say she late. Ya, kita nggak boleh menyebut she late, tapi kita cuma she is late. And then I'm hungry. We cannot say I hungry. No, harus ada kata I am hungry. And then you are you a doctor? Is everybody here? Okay, and the next one, we use special structure with be, there is to introduce thing. Jadi biasanya ada kata there is untuk memberitahukan sesuatu ya. There is, there are. And then be can be auxiliary verb. Yes, kata be ini termasuk kata kerja bantu. Auxiliary itu maksudnya bantuan ya, atau verb itu kata kerja bantu. Okay, in progressive tenses ya bisa, and then also in passive. Jadi penggunaan be ini nanti ketemu dalam bentuk continuous atau progressive ya, atau juga nanti kita ketemu dalam bentuk kalimat pasif. Okay, and then after be we have. Ya, setelah kata be ada kata have. Have ini terdiri dari have, has, and had. Have, has ini adalah present, had ini adalah past. Okay. Biasanya kalau kata have ini adalah berkaitan dengan possession. We talk about possession atau pemilikan. Alright. Any question? Ada yang ditanyakan di sini? No? Okay, let's begin number 1 over here. We have positive, I am, you are, he, she, it, is, we are, they are. And then question or integrative, am I, are you, is he, is she, is it, are we, are they. And then negative, yes, kalau negatif tinggal kasih kata not ya di sini. Alright, let's go number 1. Put in am, are, or is. Taruh kata am, are, atau is di kalimat-kalimat ini. Coba, let's try the student. We have Naila. Naila Azara. Halo Naila Azara. Naila? Can you open mic? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or like this aja. Bareng-bareng aja deh. Okay, everyone, say it together. Number 1, what do we use?
We are.
You are.
Okay, we are. Number 2.
My sister is.
We are.
We are very well.
Yes, we are.
My
very
sister.
well. 2.
Is.
Okay.
My sister is.
My
Is a
sister
doctor.
is a doctor. Good. Number 3.
Are.
And
Okay,
I'm
good. John and Ann are in America. Number 4.
Am.
I'm.
I am happy
I
today.
am.
happy
Okay,
today.
say the sentence. Say the sentence.
I am happy today.
Okay,
I'm
good.
happy today.
I am happy today. Number 5.
Are.
I think you're tired. I think you are tired.
You are
Good.
You are
Number 6.
it's very
Our
small.
house is very small.
Our
Very
house
small.
is very small.
Our house
is very small.
Okay, yes. Our house is very small. Kenapa pakai is bukan are? Kan sini our.
Menunjuk.
Menunjuk
rumah.
Oh yeah, very good. Yang ditunjuk adalah rumahnya
Noun.
bukan our-nya. Yes. Karena yang
Subjeknya house.
ditekankan our house. Nah, house-nya ditekankan. Okay, good. Next one. Oh, sorry. Next one. The contraction. Yuk, bareng-bareng lagi.
Yes.
Apa itu number 1?
We are
Kalau disingkat jadi apa?
Where?
Yes, we're. We're all time. We're. Okay, number 2.
there.
There.
There. Okay, good.
There.
Number 3.
I'm sorry.
I'm very sorry.
Okay, I'm next.
Um,
Number 4.
My name's
Okay,
My
good. Number 5.
your
you are
Your.
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 Okay, number 6.
Sorry, sir.
the shop closed.
This shop,
Yes,
The shops
the
open.
shops. The shops.
this shop.
The
Mm,
shops. Is that
yes,
doesn't
the
mean the
shops.
shops now is plural. So if you put s in the shop,
I know it sounds like plural,
I'm
it's
sorry,
true,
sir.
yeah.
but it's is. The shops close because you say close. Karena ada
Okay.
kata close-nya berarti dia langsung
This
otomatis
shop is
tadi.
closed.
Oh, the shop is closed. But we say
This shop is
shops.
closed.
Yeah, the
It's like
shops
tricky question.
close.
This close.
I know it's like so many shops, yeah, but no, it's just close. Okay. Okay, next one. Let's make the question here. How to make this question?
What? What is? What?
Or number 1, Mary, is that?
Mary? Yes, Mary.
Oh, so that mean Farm Mary from Paris.
What
What
is your
is
name?
your name?
Mary's name, right?
Mary is the name, yes.
Yeah.
Mary.
So how you make a question?
Or is Mary from Paris?
Okay, yes. Is Mary from Paris? Okay, number
Yeah.
2.
Are we very late?
Okay, are we very late? Okay, number 3.
I think is John in
Yeah,
bed? Are John in
Okay,
bed?
good. Is John in bed? Okay, yang lain mana ini suaranya?
Tempat tadi, John.
Ayo.
Is the boss in Japan?
Hmm.
In Japan. Is the boss in Japan?
Okay, yes. Is the boss in Japan?
Because there's D there.
Yeah. Is the boss. We say is the boss in Japan.
The boss.
Number 5.
Is his car fast?
Yes. Is his car fast? Okay, good.
Yep.
Is his car fast? Yes. Okay, thank you, Jessica. Thank you very much. Okay, next one. You know the WH question, right? So we have who, what, when, where, why, and 1H. Ya. Jadi WH question ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ada 5 WH question and 1H. Okay, put the question in the words with R or S. Okay, number 1.
What's your name?
Yes.
What is your name? What's
What's
your name?
What's
Mary?
your name?
name?
What
Good.
is your name?
Number 5. Number 5. Number 2. Sorry, number 2.
Where
When?
my glasses?
Where my clip?
Good.
Where is my glasses?
Where's my glasses? Okay. Number 3.
Was
Who's?
I think who? Who is?
Yeah. We say
Who's your English teacher, Miss Ellen?
who's? Yes. Who's your English teacher? Good. Number 4.
Why?
Why you late?
Why?
Are you late?
Yes. Why are you so
Why
late?
you late?
Don't say why you late. Why are you?
Why are you late?
Yes. Why are you late?
Kenapa nggak where are
So
you?
we need still to put be there then.
Yes. Of course. That's right.
Ah,
Because be is the main auxiliary verb. Okay, and then
Where?
number 5.
When?
when the exam?
When?
Where is the
When
exam?
is?
When it
What?
is? I think.
What is the exam?
Not what is.
When? It should be when.
When is
Yeah.
When is the exam?
When is the
Very
exam?
good.
Yes,
When is
exam.
On
the
Tuesday.
exam? Number 6.
How's
Good. House.
Yeah, house.
How's your mother?
How is your
House.
mother?
Mother. How's your
How
mother?
is your mother?
Yeah.
House.
So
Better
basically
respect.
foreigner they speak fast ya. Kata is itu dijadiin satu. Jadi how's your mother?
House.
How's your mother? How is your mother? Yeah. Okay, next one. Let's go to the negative one.
Sopi lagi aktif nih.
Number one.
She's but
Oh, he is thirsty.
No. Over here.
Which one? Oh, different. Oh,
Sorry. No,
Sorry.
over here.
yeah. Sorry. Because I see the picture. She's tired, but
But negative ill. She's not tired? No.
Mangga jatuh. Allah dia telepon.
I'm Greek, but negative from
That is
Athens.
not here.
I'm not from Athens. What about this one?
This
I'm
she's
not
tired. Huh?
but this not.
That is
I am not ill.
Okay, she's not ill.
Oh, she is not. Oh, okay.
She's not ill.
She is,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, number two.
What's the meaning ill?
Ill means
Sakit.
sick. Yes.
Sakit, sick.
So
They
you
are
can say
in
sick,
London.
ill, or ache.
Oh, I know this. They are in England,
They are-
but they're not live in London.
Huh? No, there's no leave.
No, England.
They are not
They are not. They are in
Not
London.
Not, I think
Okay,
it's only that.
yes, they are not in
Yeah.
London.
They are not in
Good.
London.
Not in London. I
They
think
are
it's that.
not in London. Okay,
Yeah.
number three.
You are tall,
But
but you are
Not
not
tall, but
tall.
Okay, Jessica, yes, you aren't too tall. Very good, Jessica, yes. You aren't too tall. Okay. Number four.
We are late.
are late.
We are.
very
We
late.
We
are.
are not
Very late.
We are.
very late.
Not very
But
late.
We are not very late. That's right. Good.
we
We
are
are not very late. Okay, number five.
It's summer, but
Is it hot?
summer not
It's not hot.
Summer.
hot.
Yes, but it's not hot. It's not hot. Yes.
Not.
not.
How about not that hot?
Not that hot. Not that hot means like you see someone beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, now it's different concept then.
She's not that hot. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not hot. Okay. Okay, next one. Number six.
I'm not.
Not.
Okay, Jessica, very good.
First.
I'm not at university. Yes, Jessica, very nice. Okay, I think we can skip this one, yeah? Okay, next. Let's try.
his mom's narrating.
This is for
Yes.
your
My
first
name is Natalie.
tugas, ya. I want you to write yourself in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so about this one, I will take a picture over here first. Okay, this is your first tugas. Oh, sorry, I make it in Siakat aja ya. Saya buat di Siakat aja. Okay, this is your tugas untuk nanti di Siakat. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one, let's go, continue. Okay, we go to past form. Nah, ini grammar bentuknya adalah past.
Sir.
Yang tadi adalah present, sekarang bentuknya past. Oke, kalau past adalah was and were. Okay, guys? Where were you? I was in Goslow. Yeah, I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, they were. Was I? Were you? Was he or was she? Were we? Were they? And then negative, of course, kita kasih kata not aja. All right. Let's put in was or were here. In summer 1990, I was in Brazil. Okay, what about number one?
We were very happy to see you today, and I was happy to see you today.
Yes, we were very happy to see you
To see you
yesterday, and
yesterday, and I was
was
happy to see
happy to
you.
see you. Okay, good. Number 2.
Lunch
What
was okay,
was
but
so
the
the
vegetables
vegetables
were not
were
very
not
good.
very good.
Okay,
Vegetable was
good.
not
Very good. Lunch was okay, but the vegetables were not
Was
very
as
good.
were.
well.
Karena ada kata S sini ya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, next one, number 3.
I can't
I can
find my
find
clothes. They
They
were here
that
this
were
morning.
here this morning.
They?
They eat.
No.
Where?
They
Where?
were.
Where?
Yes, they were. Ada kata they nggak di sini?
They were.
Nah, ini they
Yes.
were. Oke, kalau ketemu kata they, pakainya adalah
Were.
were.
They were.
Oke. Number 4.
It
It
was
was
cold
cold and
Was
dark,
and
and we
tired.
were tired.
And we were tired.
It was cold and
Yes,
dark,
good.
and we were tired.
Yes, we were tired. It was cold and dark, and we were tired. Okay. Number 5.
My
My
grandmother
grandmother
was
was a
a
doctor,
doctor
and her three
and
children
children
were all doctors
were
too.
Grandmother
Hmm?
was a doctor,
Mhm.
and her 3 children were all doctor too.
Yes,
they're all
good.
doctors.
My grandmother was a doctor because it's only one person, and then
yeah.
3 children. Children ini jamak ya, plural, maka pakainya were all doctors
All
too.
doctor
Berapa?
too.
Okay. Number 6.
Were you in London
Were you in
yesterday?
London yesterday?
No,
Hmm?
I was in Glasgow. I was in
Yeah, this one, yeah. I was in Goslow. Okay, very good. Were you in London yesterday? No, I was in Goslow.
Oh,
Okay, number 7.
When was your exam? It was
Okay.
yesterday.
Yes. When were you exam? Thank you, Anissa. Very good. When were you? When were you? Oh, your exam. When?
Why is not was?
When?
Was.
Oh, yeah. Wait. When was your exam?
Yeah,
Was,
was
was.
because
It
it's
was.
past, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When
When
was?
was your exam?
When was your exam?
It was yesterday.
It was yesterday.
It was yesterday, yes. Harusnya was. Karena si kata your. Okay?
Yes,
When
sir.
was your exam? Sorry.
Yes.
Is your. Sorry, it was. Okay, next one. Put the word in the correct order to make question. Okay, what about number 1? Good party was the.
Was and it was yesterday.
Was the party good?
Okay, was the party good? Yes, good. Next one, number 2.
Interesting, there were people.
Hmm?
Were the people interesting?
Were the people interesting? Yes, good. Were the people interesting? Good. Number 3.
Was your father a teacher?
Okay, good. Was your father a teacher? Very good. Number 4.
Was everybody late?
Yes. Very good. Wow, you guys good. Was everybody late? Number 5.
Was John brother school with you?
Was John's brother.
Joan brother at school with you?
Good.
With you.
Was John's brother
At school
at
with you?
school with you? Okay. Wow, okay, you guys are good here. Next one. Put in wasn't ya. Jadi kalau kita disingkat was not menjadi wasn't. And then were not menjadi weren't. Okay, wasn't and weren't. And the words from the box, make sure you understand actually, use the dictionary if necessary. Okay. The lesson wasn't interesting. Actually, it was very boring. Okay, what about number 1?
Late. You
You
were or wasn't? You weren't. Yeah.
weren't.
You were late. Actually, you arrived 10 minutes early.
Yes, good. You weren't late. Actually,
Actually,
you arrived 10 minutes
10
early.
minutes
Jadi
early.
kata-kata yang ada di box ditaruh di sini ya.
My father
Mhm.
My
was
father
My father
wasn't a
a
teacher.
Actually,
Actually, he worked as a bus
Actually,
driver.
he worked as a bus driver.
Yes, good. My father wasn't a teacher. Actually, he works as a bus driver. Okay, next one.
I wasn't with Anna yesterday. Actually, I was with Susan.
Yes, good. I wasn't with Anna yesterday.
Yesterday.
Okay, number 4.
The children we
What?
were in
The children
Mhm.
wasn't well
No.
or went well yesterday.
Oh,
The
Mhm.
doctor
the
came to see them.
children weren't
Yes.
well yesterday.
Mhm.
The doctor come to see them. Weren't.
Yes. The children weren't
Because
well.
children is plural.
Yes, children is plural. That's right. One child, but many children. Okay, like 2 children. Yeah, so one is a child. Okay, number
The
5.
children. The
We
children.
were in England last week. We went to Scotland for a few days.
Perfect.
Okay, very good. Yes. We weren't in England last week. We went to Scotland for a few days. Okay. Next one, be with the future. Okay, jadi tadi ada present, ada past, now with the future. Okay, so future of course we use will ya. Kata future itu selalu pakai will atau shall. And then contraction itu kita bilangnya will, I will, jadi I'll, ya I'll, and then you'll, and then will not is won't. Okay. Okay, look at the table and complete the text.
It will be hot in
Mhm.
Rio.
It will be hot in Rio. Are you sure?
Which is
Oh,
the
yeah.
paper.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Rio.
Rio, yes.
Because it should be will be.
Mhm.
It will be hot in Rio.
Yes, it will be hot in Rio. It's 30 degrees Celsius. What about warm?
Oh,
Will be warm in Paris.
Okay, good. And then cold?
it will be cold in London.
In London.
Okay, it will be cold in London. Thank you,
Because
Jessica.
three,
Yes.
three temperature.
Next one. Very cold?
Moscow.
Moscow, that's right. It will be very cold in Moscow.
It will be very cold in Moscow.
Yes, we're very cold in Moscow. Okay, next one. Change this sentence into positive and negative. So if the sentence here is positive, you can change it into negative. If the sentence here is negative, you have to change it into positive. Okay. For example, the bus will not be full, but we change it into positive. The bus will be full. She'll be late. We change it to negative. She won't be late.
Oh.
Okay,
I
number
will
1.
be sorry. That means I want sorry. I want sorry.
No, not I was sorry.
Be sorry.
I will be sorry.
Yeah.
Not be
I
sorry.
will be sorry.
Ah, good. I won't be sorry. I will
Yeah,
not be
won't
sorry.
sorry.
Yes. I won't be sorry. Okay, number 2.
It won't be hot.
It will be hot. Okay. Yes. It's easy. Okay, number 3.
We will be at
We will be at home.
Good. We will be at home. Number 4.
The shop
Shop
won't be closed.
Be closed.
will be closed.
The shop won't be closed. Okay.
Won't be closed.
He won't.
He
won't be
He won't be in Scotland.
Good. He won't be in Scotland.
And won't be at school.
And won't be at school.
Okay, and won't be at school. Very good. Okay. See, easy, right? Bahasa Inggris gampang kan? Okay,
Because
next
it's
one.
simple there.
Sama.
It is. This is very simple. Kalau future tinggal kasih will. Kalau past tinggal tadi was atau were. Kalau present saat ini ya am untuk I, he, she, it, is ya, we, you, they, are. Okay. Okay, this one. Let's make question with be this time. When your father in England.
When
When will your father
When will be your father?
When will be your father?
It's not.
No, not when will be. No.
When will your
will
father in
here.
England?
Not when.
When will he let your father in?
When will your father in England?
When will your father?
In England.
No, masih kurang dikit.
When will your father
Can you change little bit the question? When will be your father in England?
No, not will be.
Or
No,
it's not be.
no. Yeah, there's a be, but not will be. No. When?
When will
When
your father be in England?
Yes. Yeah, that's right. When will your father be in England?
In England.
Jadi be-nya before in England ya. When will your father be in England? Okay, next number 2.
Why sir cannot when will be?
No, we cannot say will be together.
Will be
Oh,
here.
Yeah, kan ini question. If it question, we cannot say will be. No.
okay.
If it's statement,
And
yes.
will
oh between father and in England.
Yes.
Put the be.
Yes. If you are
Okay,
using
thank you, sir.
yeah, okay. If you are using question, we cannot say will be. No. So when will your father be in England? Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank
Number
you, sir.
2. You're welcome.
your father be in England.
Make questionnya gimana number 2? And at the party with John.
Will
When
and
will Anne
and
at the
will
party
will
be
and
with John?
with John be at the party?
No.
At the party with John.
Will
Be at the party with John.
with John.
Will Anne be at the party with John?
Will and at the party
With John?
with John? No.
Will Anne be at the party with
When
John?
will
Will be at the party.
At the party
the
be
party
No,
with
not,
John?
not will be at the party. The same thing as this one. You at home this evening. Oh, there's no when. Gak ada kata when. Adanya and at the party with John. There's no and.
Will
I mean will
Anne be at the party with John?
And at the party with John. No. I mean, okay.
Will Anne be at the party with John?
It's the same thing as this one. Mana nih?
when the party will
Sorry.
be John?
Sorry. Sorry, this one. Oh my God. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, the same thing as this one. You at home this evening. Sama dengan yang number 2.
And at the party.
No, not and at the party, no. And will the party, no.
Will and
Will and?
be at the party with John.
Yes, that's right. Will and be
Be
at the
at
party
the party with
with
John.
John.
Once
Will
more,
and
Miss
be.
Imelda.
Yes, I think it's
Miss
Imelda.
And
Yes, so will and be at the party with John. Okay.
oh, good.
Okay, number 3. Will everybody be at the okay, yes, Jessica, good. Will everybody be here at 8? Thank you, Jessica. Will everybody be here at 8? Okay, number 4.
Will everybody? The train will
Train late again.
the train
Will the train
let
be late
again.
again?
Will
Will
the
the
Train will
train
be
be
late.
later again?
Good. Yes, very good. Will the train be late again? Okay, good. Thank you, Rachel. Yes. And Anissa, will the train be late again? Okay. Number 5.
When will Joe and Mary
When
be in
Joe
the
and
office?
Mary in the office.
Good. When will Joe and Mary be in the office? Number
Okay.
6.
Will the weather be good tomorrow?
Okay. Will the weather be good tomorrow? Yes. Thank you, Anissa. Very good. Number 7, the last one.
Where will you be on Tuesday?
Okay, yeah, Jessica, where will you be? Where will? Wait a minute. Where? Oh yeah, Jessica.
Where?
Rachel salah ya. Jessica benar. Where will you be on Tuesday? Yes. Okay, good. Next one. Oh, this one. I don't think we can do this one, yeah. Can you guess your age in 2030? How old are you? I think, let me give you one advice ya, everyone. Foreigner atau orang asing itu never like to ask about their age, ya. Jadi orang asing itu tidak suka ditanyakan umur mereka, okay? So when you are having a conversation with a foreigner, never ask about the age, ya. Ini adalah tabu. Kata age ini adalah tabu bagi mereka ya. Jadi mereka tuh nggak suka orang mengendus-endus your age ya. So yeah, we can skip this one. Okay, next one. Oop. How come I cannot move this one? Okay, there. Okay, next we go to there is. Yeah, there is a dog in the garden. Present, past. There is, there are. There was, there were. Is there, are there, was there, were there. There is not, there are not, there was not, there were not, atau there were not. Okay. Make sentence with the word from the 3 boxes using the there is, etc. Okay, I want you to write in the chat box, please. Tulis di chat box. Make one sentence, buat satu kalimat using the 3 boxes here. The first, the second, and the third. Go ahead. Write down in the chat box. using these three boxes. There are a lot of elephants in Africa. Okay. Okay, good. Imelda, thank you. Who else?
Mana pusat tadi dia? Ya? Ini aku jemputan aku dulu nih ya.
Come on, anybody else? Okay, number 2. There isn't much water in Africa. Okay, Agustina, thank you. Isn't. Yeah. Oh, yeah, sorry. Isn'tnya salah. The apostrophe. Okay, there are a lot of people in the park. A lot of people. Think of some more places. Okay. Yeah, you can think of some more places of your own, yeah? Think of some more things. Up to you. Okay, ada lagi? There isn't much grass on the moon. Imelda, yes, you already answered that one. There are a lot of students in the classroom. Okay. There aren't any computers in. There weren't. There weren't any computers in. Okay, yes, 1600s. There are many cars in London. There wasn't people computer. Emiliana, there wasn't people computer. What do you mean by people computers? There aren't any elephants in Antarctica. Okay, yes, of course. It's very cold. There aren't many people on the moon. There aren't my cat. Oh, there. We don't say they aren't. We say these. These aren't. These aren't my cat in the kitchen. Rachel. We don't say there. We say these. These aren't my cats in the kitchen. Okay, there was a lot of air in Antarctica. Okay. Okay, let's continue the next one. Right. We go to. Okay, let's keep the there first ya. Okay, let's go to have. Kita langsung masuk ke have ya. Have with do. Do you have? I don't have. Okay, so present. I, you, we, they have. He, she, it has. Okay? So it's not have but has. Kalau ketemu he, she, it, pakainya has. And then have ini adalah harus pakai kata kerja bantunya yaitu do. Okay, in simple present. Okay, dimana kalau kalimat itu adalah simple present atau present simple, itu harus ada kata kerja bantunya itu do. Do I, do you, do we, do they have. Does. Okay, does ini ketemu he, she, it. Does he, does she, does it have? Okay, and then negative of course tinggal dibalik aja. I do not have, he doesn't have. Okay, and then past, kalau past cuma satu yaitu had. Okay, ini sama dengan rumusnya past perfect. Okay, past perfect itu juga sama, pakainya adalah had. We can use have to talk about possession, family, and other relationship, and illness atau penyakit ya. For example, I have a cold. Saya kena flu. Okay, let's go to the exercise number 1. My father atau my parents has 2 cars. Yang mana yang benar? My father atau my parents has 2 cars. Is it
My parents have 2 cars.
My parents? No.
Have 2 cars.
No. Not have. Oh, who is this one? My father's? No, not my father's. It's only 2. You can use my father or my parents.
My father.
My father, yes.
My father
2 cars.
has 2 cars.
My father has 2 cars. Karena father itu termasuk kata it, ya. Father itu termasuk ke kata, it ini. Okay. Yes. Next one. Number 2.
We all have blue eyes.
Yes. We all have blue eyes. Okay, good. Next one.
I had a headache yesterday evening.
I have a headache yesterday evening. Good. Number 4.
I see that brother has a new girlfriend.
Okay. Had atau has?
Has.
Has. I see that your brother had a new girlfriend.
Has a new girlfriend. Yes. Has. Has.
Because has that mean he doesn't have anymore. I see that
Yeah,
your
if
brother
you say
had
had,
a new
it doesn't
girlfriend.
have anymore. That's right. Okay, number 5.
You have very long hair.
No.
Paul has very long hair.
Paul has a very long hair. Okay.
Yes.
And then number 6.
This house has a rooms.
This house have a big room.
Yes.
Have big room.
That's right. Have. These houses have big rooms. Have big room. Good. Number 7.
I can't read this book. It has
Good. It has 800 pages. Good. I can't read this book. It has 800 pages. Okay, number 8.
and had a good job last year. Had a good job last year.
Okay, yes. And had a good job last year. Very good. Okay. I guess you know about the have and has and had, yeah? Okay, next one. Okay, kita akan skip dulu. Okay, this one. Have without do. Nah, ini kita have tanpa kata do ya. Kalau yang tadi pakai do, sekarang we don't use the do. But we use the word got. I, you, we, they have got. Okay, he, she, it has got. We often use got with have, especially in the present. This does not change the meaning. We use have, has, got, like have, has to talk about possession. Jadi kalau ada kata got itu adalah pemilikan ya. Kata have juga pemilikan, tapi ini lebih ditekankan ya. Got itu lebih ditekankan. I have got this same as I have. I have got is the same as I have, okay? And then have you got is the same as do you have. Okay? Jadi ini sama, artinya sama ya. Sama I have got ini juga sama dengan I have. Okay? Alright, let's go exercise number 1. Coba ini brother 2, bagaimana membuat kalimatnya?
John has not.
No, John's get two brothers.
John has got two brothers.
Okay, we don't say has. John. Oh yeah, sorry. John has two. Okay, sorry. Yes.
John has got two brothers.
John has two brothers. I forgot to look at this one. John. Okay, yes. John possession. Okay, yes. You can go. We will stop at 11:15 ya. Kita akan siap-siap untuk sholat Jumat juga. Okay, number 2.
John has not
Car.
got a car.
John has.
John's got a car.
No, it's
get-
negative.
I get a car.
Not.
John
John
Hasn't
hasn't.
a car.
car.
Got a
Yes.
car.
Just hasn't got a car. John hasn't got a car.
Hasn't got a car.
Okay, yes. And then number 3.
John has got two dogs.
Hasn't got three dogs.
What
He
hasn't got?
hasn't got a
John has got 3 dogs.
That's right, email. John has got 3 dogs. Good. Okay, number 4.
John has got a dictionary.
Yes. Wow, thank you, email. John has got a dictionary. Number 5.
John
John
hasn't got
long hair.
Yes,
Long hair.
Zarani. Okay, John hasn't got long hair. Number 6.
John
hasn't
hasn't got any sisters.
Yes, John hasn't got any sister. Okay guys, I think we stop here for a moment. Kita akan siap-siap untuk sholat Jumat. Before we let go, I want you to open video. I want to take screenshot of today's lesson, please. Silakan videonya dibuka. Untuk dokumentasi today's lesson.
Iya nggak sih?
Okay, so basically today we just learned about the be, yeah, be and have. Okay, next we will go into the tenses. Okay, guys. All right, everybody has a good setting here. Okay.
I'm so sorry, sir. Saya lagi di laut soalnya cari jaringan.
Okay, it's all right. Email is okay.
Sorry.
It's all right. Okay, ready? 3,
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh, sorry. One more. Okay, one more again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you everyone for coming. And
Thank
thank
you,
you
sir.
for
Thank you very
today.
much.
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you,
See you
sir.
on the next meeting
Thank you,
again.
sir.
Thank
For the
you.
class today.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum, pamit mundur diri. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum.
Thank you. Okay. I think that's all for today, Discord. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much for joining us, and thank you for watching. See you again on the next lesson with me, Mr. Danang Wiratnoko, at Bahasa Inggris 1, Stekom kelas Bahasa Inggris 1 and semester 2 ya. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry guys, left hand.